Hey everyone, welcome back to TechStride. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: making money with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized various industries, and it's also creating numerous opportunities for individuals like you to earn a substantial income. In this video, we'll explore different ways you can leverage AI to make money. Let's dive in. One of the most accessible ways to start earning with AI is through freelance work. Many businesses are actively seeking AI specialists to help them solve complex problems or develop AI-driven solutions. If you have the necessary skills, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or even LinkedIn can connect you with potential clients. You can offer services such as machine learning, model development, natural language processing, or even AI consulting. Another lucrative opportunity is developing AI-powered applications or products. With advancements in AI frameworks and tools, it's become easier to build intelligent applications. You can create AI chatbots, recommendation systems, or even automate tasks using machine learning. Once you have a valuable product, you can monetize it through app stores, subscriptions, or licensing agreements. Now, let's talk about the world of data. Data is the fuel that powers AI algorithms, and companies are willing to pay for quality datasets. If you have access to unique or specialized data, consider packaging it and selling it to businesses or researchers who need it. You can also explore data labeling and annotation services, where you help annotate images or categorize data for training AI models. Investing in AI is also an avenue worth considering. As AI continues to grow, there are opportunities to invest in AI-focused companies or AI-driven funds. Keep an eye on startups that are making strides in the AI space, as they often attract significant attention and funding. While investing carries risks, it can potentially yield substantial returns as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. Lastly, consider leveraging your AI expertise to create educational content. Many people are eager to learn about AI and its applications. You can start a YouTube channel, write a blog, or offer online courses where you teach others about AI concepts, algorithms, and practical implementation. By sharing your knowledge, you not only contribute to the AI community, but also have the potential to generate income through ads, sponsorships, or course sales. And that concludes our video on making money with artificial intelligence. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and informative. Remember, the key is to leverage your AI skills, find your niche, and stay updated with the latest advancements. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy AI money making!